Oh, good morning, y'all. Dominoes 7 here on this Facebook Live. I should have told y'all on YouTube that that I was going to Facebook Live. I neglected to say that. Yep. And then filming that building on Saint Bernard. That's that's supposed to be coming down. So anyway, I want to tell y'all my Facebook Live morning vlog and stuff like that. I mean, this is a good morning for me. Yep. I'm so glad to be here though. I don't know who watching. And my friend Jakaya, she watches me, but on my third channel. Well, my other channel, the Dominoes 7 Show channel. But if you're watching this on the Dominoes 7 channel, the Dominoes 7 Show channel, well, whatever channel y'all watching me on, hello, okay? All right. And I'm pretty sure y'all will be watching future birthday episodes though, okay? All right. So I hope y'all watch Santana's birthday party. At first, I was just doing a Facebook Live videos and stuff like that. But I'm totally glad. I'm definitely glad to I'm very glad to be doing Facebook. Say YouTube Live videos. Okay, YouTube Live vlogs and stuff like that. Yep, and it's a cloudy day. It's a cloudy day. All right. Well, I can't really sing, y'all. I really can't sing, y'all. I'm just, I'm just doing this just for the heck of it. Yep. So, by the way, future homeowner and stuff like that, future businessman. Okay. Well, so-called business, I should say. Keep my fingers crossed that I could be with this girl Dominique, because she a singer, Make sure her career jump off. If Domino 7's career jump off on YouTube and stuff like that, her career should jump off not only on YouTube, on Spotify and SoundCloud. I ain't know nothing about SoundCloud. I ain't know a darn thing about SoundCloud. Well. Let me back that up. Let me back it up. Okay. I ain't know nothing about Spotify until Shamika taught me about that. So anyway, I can add songs, listen to music and stuff like that. But I still collect CDs. I definitely still collect CDs. So I'm a continue on collecting CDs every now and then. Okay. I know I'm supposed to be holding this phone sideways, but hey, it's me, not you. Okay. So my hair grows back fast. Eventually, for around Christmas time, it'll be time for another haircut. Dang, my hair grows back fast. Ain't that something? Yeah, that is definitely something. All right, I just finished doing a lot of gameplays like Castlevania 3, Galaga, Tengen, Tekken, Tetris. However to pronounce it. Well, I'll figure it out whenever. Okay, how to pronounce that word. Yep. I love Tetris. Tetris is my favorite game of all times. Building blocks and stuff like that. Nintendo on the rights of it at first. But wound up having Tetris on Sega, PlayStation, and stuff like that. Tetris World. So very soon, I'll be doing a Tetris World gameplay. Okay. Yep. And I've been having Tetris World since 2003. Since 2003. You know, Tetris World. Yep, I love Tetris World. You know, because ever since at first my mama bought me a PlayStation 2 in 2002 for Christmas. You know, then she wound up bringing it back, and I was upset about it. And then got me a PlayStation 2 again. Guess what? Never gave that up until Hurricane Katrina happened, and I had to get a whole new PlayStation 2. Yep, it was one of those skinny ones too. I wish I would have been doing YouTube videos back then. I wish I would have. The people I've met, I could have had them people on my show. The hurricane evacuees and stuff like that. So I was in Dallas for after Katrina. Yeah. Some of you were trapped here. I'm talking about the New Orleans people. Some of you were trapped here. I was trapped here with water surrounding. With no way out until somebody rescued us from a boat. And I'm afraid of heights. So look around the place. Yep. When I move from here, I'm sure gonna miss this place. Let's look on the side of here. Look at all this. The grass is always greener on the other side of the place. So eventually I'm gonna upload this to YouTube and stuff like that when I finish and stuff like that. And then watching Lizzie Velasquez videos, and watching my own videos sometime, and somebody supporting my videos and stuff like that, so supporting what I do and stuff like that, trying to get some subscribers and stuff, doing all I can to get some subscribers, If only I could, I need y'all to subscribe, So April Monique, I don't know why she have less subscribers than me, and and her videos is good. April Monique, I mean, I support her channel though, cause she makes some good videos, Yes indeed. Okay. So I'm gonna subscribe to. Well, I already subscribed to her channel though. Okay. Yeah, I already did. Okay. All right. So inside I go. All right. Yes indeed. If only I could, If only I could get more subscribers. Well, I will. I will get more subscribers. Yes, indeed, Domino will. I sure would like to get Jakaya to be on my show one day. So I know she's aware that I mentioned in her name. So anyway, I'm not gonna tell y'all where I met her at. All I can say is I met her at a grocery store. So I'm not gonna tell y'all where, but I doubt she still worked there. So I've been there once. I ain't see her. A couple of times. Well, 2 times I ain't see her. So hey, So somebody walking their dog just picked up poo poo. Yes indeed, Yeah, yep, so I don't know for sure, but I hope one day that y'all gonna I hope one day that y'all see Jakaya on my show. That'll be great, because I sure would love to interview her. I would definitely want to interview her, Yep, I would love to interview Jakaya, That'll be a blessing, So hey, So All I can tell y'all, if y'all subscribing and stuff like that, you know, y'all could talk to Domino, okay? Don't talk to my guests, okay? All right. So anybody that's a guest on the Domino 7 show, you know, okay. So I mean, I'm still sad about MechaCon, you know. I'm still sad about MechaCon ending, you know. I mean, them people was having a great time at MechaCon for the last time, you know. Yes, indeed. And then this guy was yeah, I remember that, y'all. Okay. Yeah, I definitely remember, you know. So that's gonna go on for future generations and stuff like that. And y'all will be like, oh, that was Domino. He was here, he was there, everywhere. All right. Long as y'all watch the Domino 7 show, I'm good, okay? And the Domino 7 Facebook Live footages and stuff like that, and YouTube Live and stuff like that, you know. I mean, I'm good with that, you know. Happy about it. Sick with it, you know. All right, so that's all to it, you know. Sick on the microphone and everything else, you know. Well, no, I'm not sick on the microphone. I'm not Spice One, okay. You know, cause like I said, I wanted to be a rapper one time, you know. I remember I wanted to be a rapper. I couldn't rap, you know. So actually, I would say I retired from the rap game, but I was never in the rap game. I retired from trying to be a rapper, you know. Thank God for YouTube. Whoever created YouTube, thank you so much, you know. Whoever created Facebook, thank you, you know. I forgot who created Facebook, you know. YouTube, broadcast yourself, you know. Yes. If it weren't for YouTube, excuse me. If it weren't for YouTube, your boy Domino 7 probably wouldn't exist. Wait. Let me change that quote, just in case. Okay. Thank God for YouTube, because if it weren't for YouTube, you folks wouldn't have never known your boy Domino 7 exists. You know. Yep. If it weren't for YouTube, social media, period. You know. Some people get on MySpace. Nah, nobody gets on MySpace anymore. You know. I tried to get in my MySpace, but I couldn't get in it. You know. So I guess MySpace is played out. You know. Last time I posted something on MySpace was 2015. You know. I posted some pictures on MySpace. You know. And then Tanya, my ex, wanted to create a MySpace page, and I refused to help her with it, you know. And she don't have a MySpace page, you know. She don't know MySpace at all. Talking about I want to get a MySpace. Why the hell you wasn't on MySpace to begin with? Sheesh, you know. That's all I want to say. Why she want to have a MySpace page and everybody don't get on MySpace? Cause nobody gets on MySpace. Because nobody gets on MySpace. Oh, my God. So much crackle I have to deal with. So much I got to deal with. All right. Yep. So, this is the end of the Facebook Live MySpace. I meant to say, whoops, my bad. This cuts the end to the Facebook Live morning vlog. That's what I should have said, okay? After doing the YouTube Live, okay? Thank y'all for watching, okay? I appreciate y'all support, okay? Bye-bye, y'all.